9 a.m. A peaceful morning turns into a nightmare for this elderly man. A hit and run that looks intentional. Police track the plate to this driveway. The damage is clear, but the family claims the driver is in New York.
You or Daniela home?
No, sir. She's in New York, and I'm at work for the city.
Okay. Do you know who would be driving the white Mazda that's registered to this address?
That would be her mother. Has got the car while my wife's away.
Okay. Can I call?
She lives on Beaver Dam, not too far from there.
Beaver Dam? All right. What's her first name?
Lydia.
L-I-D-I-A?
Yes, sir. It might be L-Y. It's one of the other, but I believe it's L-I.
L-I-D-I-A?
Yes.
Okay, or Y. Do you know what her approximate age is?
I would say she's about 64, 65. It's a house identical to mine, except it's gray in color. And if, the Mazda should be in the driveway if she's home.
With these directions, they go a few streets over.
The mother's story is falling apart. She claims she doesn't drive, yet the car is freshly damaged and hidden.
Who would have access to it today?
Huh?
Do you know who would have been driving it this morning?
I drive.
You only drive it?
Yeah.
Were you driving this morning?
Yeah. What happened? Something?
Okay. Were you aware you were involved in a collision?
Collision.
A crash with a bike? You know anything about that? Okay. Let me just read you something real quick. All right. Like I said, I'm Deputy Lane with the Sheriff's Office. I'm investigating a hit and run. You have the right to remain silent. Anything
Okay, I call my daughter because she speaks English very well, and you can speak because I don't understand everything,
Okay.
I understand good.
Okay. Do you mind if I come in with you?
No, I come on the phone.
Yeah. Do you mind if I come in with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I'll give you the dog.
Oh, the dog?
Yes.
All right. I'll just hang out right here, all right? What?
Okay, moment. Okay.
How many people are in the house right now? Is it just you? Is it your...
Yeah, it's me, my son, my... what happened is something you tell me because I worry,
Okay. All right. If you want to call your daughter, want to just stand over here as well?
No, what happened is something? Or?
Yeah, I'll get to that in a second. I just got to read you something before I ask any more questions. If you want to we can stay in the shade over here. She wasn't answering her husband. Do you have any...
No, my husband, no, he's dying.
No. Her husband, your daughter's husband. He wasn't answering as well.
No, it's the work. Un moment.
Okay.
Things take a violent turn when the son emerges. For 113 pounds of pure resistance. He denies everything, but his body language says it all.
No accident.
Okay, were you driving today?
No, I wasn't driving. I was driving.
Okay. Can you stop, please?
Oh, okay.
Okay. All right. So you weren't driving today whatsoever.
No.
You weren't involved in a collision.
No.
Okay. I just gotta read you something. I'm Deputy Lane with the Sheriff's Office. I'm investigating a hit and run. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used as evidence against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you now while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to...
It's not my truck. It's okay.
Okay, no, just 1 second. I'm still reading you something. Hey,
Don't touch me.
hold on.
Don't touch me.
Hey, hold on.
It's my property. Don't touch me.
Okay, just calm down.
Don't touch me. It's my property. Leave.
Andrea, calm
It's not
down.
my car.
Andrea?
If someone hit on the side, it's not my fault.
Okay,
Close the
Andrea.
door. I don't
Andrea.
want to speak about no.
Andrea.
I'm property right now.
Can you-
I wasn't driving today. You said other things. I wasn't driving today. You said other
Okay,
things.
I'm asking
Leave
you
my
a question.
property. No, leave my property,
Sir, come
Leave
outside.
my property.
Stop.
No.
Stop. Come on.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Listen, ma'am, step out of the way.
Você não deu nada,
Let's step
You
out of the
calm
way.
down. You leave my house. I wasn't driving today. What are you talking about other
Sir,
things?
you need to calm down first of all. We're trying to...
You're talking about other things. I was not driving.
Você scared because I have,
Sir, calm down, okay?
no,
If someone
Ma'am,
has
you need to
decided...
step out of the way.
Scusa,
Step out of the way.
Ma non faccio una domanda.
Stop.
Non faccio una domanda.
You're gonna get tased if you
Leave
don't
my
stop.
property right now.
Stop. Calm down. Taser.
There's more footage overall.
He was charged with multiple felonies, A tragic example of how a simple accident becomes a life-changing crime.